Dear friends, today I will give you information about the understanding of dogs about humans. Let's move on to our video. Have you noticed that your dog knows what to do before you even talk? Maybe he's excited when you head for the door, or he realizes that you're going out when you stretch your hand to your bag. But is it just a coincidence, or can dogs really read human movements? In this video, we will discover together how dogs understand us so well, what science says about it. Dogs have lived with humans for thousands of years. Since the time they were tamed, they needed to observe human behavior to survive. Over time, they developed an extraordinary sensitivity to our facial expressions, body language and habits. Studies show that dogs can understand people's facial expressions, eye movements, and even simple gestures such as pointing with a finger. This feature is not seen at this level in any other animal in the wild. In other words, dogs may have formed an evolutionary special bond with human movements. In a study from the University of Budapest, dogs were taught to point to a person with only head movements. The result was surprising. The dogs could understand which way to go just by looking at the head movement. In another study, dogs were able to find hidden food by focusing in the direction a human's eyes were looking. That is, dogs react not only to voice commands, but also to silent, sometimes even very subtle bodily cues. Moreover, these abilities can be observed even when they are children. The way dogs understand body language largely depends on the people they bond with. Your dog, with whom you live for a long time, can record even your smallest movement. For example, he can understand that you will take a walk from the way you wear your shoes, or that you will reward him for the speed at which you head for the kitchen. This shows that dogs read us with a language of movement. It takes time for them to learn this language, but when they do, they can almost act like a thought reader. So is this a kind of telepathy? Not really. Dogs do not have the power to read minds, but they remember very well their repetitive behavior, facial expressions and physical cues. So everything is based on observation and learning. However, these abilities are so developed that they can sometimes seem like an instinct. That's why dogs can work effectively with people in many areas, from guidance to therapy. In conclusion, yes, dogs can read human movements. This has even become one of their survival strategies. They are not only our loyal friends, but also creatures that understand us, observe us and connect with us. So which movement does your dog understand the most? Write in the comments and don't forget to share this video with your animal-loving friends. See you in the next video. The video was so far, friends, thank you for listening to me. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.